Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to lock chats and hide them from chat list. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So chat locks let you protect individual or group chats with your fingerprint, Face ID and device passcode. So locked chats are moved to a hidden lock chat folder and don't appear in your main chat list on WhatsApp. So for this you need to open your WhatsApp app, and once you open it you need to simply go to the chat or individual or group you want to lock. Once you have done this, you can simply tap open their chat and tap their name at the top. Once you have done this as well, simply scroll down and there you can find the option called chat lock. Once you tap on chat lock, you need to tap on the continue button. Now once you have tapped on the continue button as well, you can simply use your pin or you can use your fingerprint to activate the chat lock. After this, your chat has been now locked, and as it has been locked it won't be showed in your main group. You can only see it in the lock chat sections. So this is how you can simply lock your chats and hide them from your chat list in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.